How to turn off moments notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off moments notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then all you do just find this one here in settings, notifications, and then click preferences, and now click this one, push notifications. And as you see here, you can find moments, just click on it, and as you see, moments has been turned off. And that's how to turn off moments notifications on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.